folks, it's Roddy from Ord RV Superstore, and I'd like to introduce you to one of the latest products we've got into the store. This is our on-the-road manual washing and drying machine. When you get the unit like this, it's just a case of unclipping the top, taking the top off like this. There's a very handy basket that's inside. There's a rotating thing at the bottom, so when the actual basket spins one way, the rotation goes the other way. Just makes it very easy to agitate washing your clothes to get all the dirt out of them. So it's as simple as that. Once that's in the bottom there, it's just a case of getting a shirt, one of our shirts from work, it's smelly. Okay, it's just a very small amount of dishwashing liquid. If you are using powder, make sure you dilute the powder before you put it in. So it only needs a small amount there. Because we're only doing one shirt, probably only needs about half a bucket of water. That's enough there. Okay, so what happens now is the top goes back on, like that. Now the handle pops into the middle part, which is what we call the wash cycle. So this will do up to 1200 revolutions per minute, so you can actually go quite fast. The centre one is always for washing, the outer one is always for drying. So generally this will take about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm not going to sit here for 2 or 3 minutes and keep washing it, but after 2 or 3 minutes that should be enough. When you're finished, basically you take the hose off here, you put that down in here, that unloads all of the water, dirty soapy water out. It does come with a plug, you can use the plug and then you can carry it somewhere and empty the water. In this case I'm using the hose that it comes with. When you're finished actually taking all the water out, it's just a matter of unclipping again, and the lid down. Now we're going into the rinse cycle. Make sure you put the hose back up again, like that. Then you put your new clean water in. Make sure if you're washing it's only the normal 40 something degrees, don't use boiling water. Again, the top just pops back on again, clips down. Then what you do is you go to the opposite one, this one over here, completely as far away as you can. And this goes into the spin cycle. And this really does get going really fast. Now again, this does take about 2 or 3 minutes. Generally, you should put the hose down now, let the water as it goes out after you finish doing your rinse, and then your drying side now. And again, this can take up to 3 minutes, just depending on how much clothes you've got in it, and what sort of clothes again too. It comes with suction cups too, so if you lift up like that to lock it in, again, just depending on the surface that it sticks onto, because if it's a bit wet, it can be a bit slippery. But anyway, so you keep spinning around like this. You think the clothes are just about done. Stop, just take the handle out, unclip that, and then you pull out your shirt. Now, basically there's still a little bit of water in there, obviously, but not much. That can go straight out onto the line. The unit itself, if you want to fill it, I'm using a bucket, but it does come with a hose. So this hose here, if you've got a tap that's higher, you can connect that onto the top there. Then that could go onto a tap or something like that, and you can fill it just using a normal connect. So there you have it. These are a great bit of kit. These are normally around $99.95. In the shop, I think we're going to be doing them as a special, probably for around $79. So if you see this on Facebook or any of the promotions we're doing, and it is $99, ask for $79, and I'm sure one of the staff will do it for you. Okay, we'll see you next time.